Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung's recently announced Galaxy Tab Active3 is now available. I will leave the link below the description. Thanks for your support. A rugged tablet designed for tough environments, it features an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance and can withstand drops of up to 1.5 meters. The Galaxy Tab Active3 follows the Galaxy Tab Active2. And, like last year's Galaxy Tab Active Pro, it now works better with gloves, offering physical navigation buttons rather than touch-sensitive ones, and there's a settings option, so it can recognize touches in thin work gloves. Samsung is promising to support up to 3 generations of Android OS upgrades, but it will launch with Android 11. Other features include a 13-megapixel rear camera, a 5-megapixel selfie camera, an Exynos 9810 processor, 4GB of RAM, either 64 or 128GB of storage, expandable by up to 1TB. Pro. The Tab Active3 has a couple of optimizations to make it easier to use with gloves. Its navigation buttons are physical rather than touch-sensitive, and Samsung says there's an option in the settings to make the tablet usable while wearing thin work gloves. Its S Pen is also IP68 certified, so it should be able to put up with water and dust like the tablet itself. Otherwise, in terms of specs, the Tab Active3 is a pretty typical Android tablet. It will launch with Android 11. It can also be used without a battery in a fixed location like an information kiosk when connected to a dedicated power source accessory. There's a 13-megapixel rear camera and 5-megapixel selfie camera, and Samsung specifically notes that the tablet's cameras are optimized for barcode scanning. It's available with LTE connectivity and a Wi-Fi only version. Samsung's announcement doesn't mention specific pricing information, but it says that the Tab Active3 is destined for Europe and Asia, releasing in unnamed select markets from today $20 when they hit US retail in 2018, while the Tab Active Pro was more expensive at $599.99. The Galaxy Tab Active3 is MIL STD810H certified to handle some of the world's toughest jobs in the most extreme environments. Its enhanced shock absorption is now able to withstand drops of up to 1.5 meters with an inbox protective COVER2, and it is IP68 RATD3 dustproof and water resistant, providing peace of mind when working in unpredictable outdoor environments. Equipped with a powerful Exynos 9810 processor, 4GB RAM and up to 128GB internal storage, the Tab Active3 has the power to keep up with the digital businesses of today, while Wi-Fi 6 with MIMO delivers super-fast Wi-Fi connectivity for greater data transfer speeds. Tab Active3 is a productivity powerhouse, providing a PC-like experience wherever work takes you. Samsung DeX is now available on the Tab Active3, ensuring dual-screen functionality, so tasks can be picked up from anywhere, whether in the office. Commitment. The Tab Active3 and the rugged Cover Pro smartphone will support up to 3 generations of Android OS upgrades. The Tab Active3 is also protected by Samsung Knox, our defense-grade security platform, as well as regular Android security updates. That's it guys, I will leave the link below the description. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching.